helping the kids out of their coats, but wait, the babies haven't been born. Oh, unpacking the bags and setting up, and planted lilacs and buttercups. Oh, but in the meantime I got it hard. Second floor living without a yard. It may be years until the day my dreams will match up with my pay. Sleepy Beta is sleepy.